You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this classic blood film stain. For more names from medicine anatomy, make sure to stay tuned. Alright, so let's break it down. I know the spelling is a bit confusing. Giemsa, alright, so you have a hard G, G, M, and then the S is pronounced in this case more like a Z. Giemsa stain. How to pronounce in English, English pronunciation. Giemsa stain. Now you know. Giemsa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.